you books and help you write. I count and sing from morning light. We learn and laugh the whole day through. Who helps you learn the things you do? Teacher! I wear a hat so tall and white. I prepare your meals from day to night. I cook and bake you yummy treats. Who makes you delicious food to eat? Cook! I wear a badge and drive a car. I help you stay safe near and far. If you need help, I'll soon appear. Who helps keep people safe and near? Police officer! Helpers, helpers, kind and strong, helping everyone all day long. In our town, they do their part with busy hands and caring heart.
Which one is different? Did you say badge? Which one is different? Did you say hat? Which one is different? Did you say stethoscope? Which one is different? Did you say coat? Which one is different? Did you say hammer? Great job! Thanks for watching.